Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing my first impressions on this Red by Kiss Roots straightener, which is specifically for edges and the nape. This is a heat resistant straightening comb that protects the scalp from burns when straightening your edges. Also allows you to grab hair closer to your roots where most flat irons cannot reach, and it's also safe to use on children's hair. So let's take a look and see how this works. This is a 1/2 inch ceramic barrel with heat resistant comb to protect your scalp and forehead from burning. This also has a temperature dial which goes up to 230 Celsius, so you can set the temperature to your preference. It comes with an instructional manual that tells you the heat settings for every hair type. So as you can see, the red light indicates that it has just been turned on, and now I'm waiting for it to heat up. Wow, one good thing about this straightener that it takes seconds to heat up, which is great. Before starting, I prepped my edges and nape with this lightweight moisturiser, and then apply this Elvive Extraordinary Oil Serum as a heat protector, making sure I protect all the areas I'm going to straighten. Now let's see how it works on my edges. This process is not as easy as I thought it would be, because it's a brand new product that I'm trying out for the very first time with you. So please don't judge me. It will only get better with more practice. As you've seen, the teeth of the comb length of the straightener are just too small to get through my edges. So I'm going to add a few more hair strands on my edges to ensure I get a better grip and hopefully get the desired result. This product claims that you will not experience scalp burns even on the highest temperature, but in my case that did not happen, as it did burn me a few times even though I put it on 175 Celsius, which is not the highest setting. The highest setting is 230 Celsius. Like I said before, the teeth of the comb length are too short to fully engage with my hair. The heated iron pretty much extends to the tip of the combs. It doesn't give any space to get through the hair without burning the scalp, and it did pull a few strands of my hair. I guess I need to develop a technique to use it, and it will only come with time and consistent practice, as this was just my first impression. I still feel that this is a great tool to straighten edges, as it did that for me, but I must say that it did burn me a couple of times, but not seriously. So this is the before and after of how this straightened my edges. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.